Africa continues at PBS Online. Explore 8 of Africa's most fascinating regions. It's all at pbs.org or America Online keyword PBS.
Next time on Africa, the Sahara. A 9-year-old boy, the ultimate journey. For Adam Ilias, it's a rite of passage, steeped in tradition and fraught with peril.
Africa is available on a 4-volume DVD set for $99.99 or VHS set for $74.99 plus shipping. To order, call 1-800-336-1917 or write to the address on your screen. Major funding for Africa is provided by the Park Foundation, dedicated to education and quality television. Major corporate support is made possible by Canon, dedicated to preserving the never-ending beauty of nature. Canon know-how lets you capture the wild in photographs and leave it as you found it. Canon know-how. Ford Motor Company. Anyone who adds to understanding. Anyone who educates others to make the world a better place. These people are heroes. Ford Motor Company's Heroes for the Planet. And by TIAA-CREF, a long-time provider of products and services to support everyone's ever-expanding financial needs. TIAA-CREF, ensuring the future for those who shape it. This program was also made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
This is PBS.
Africa, the companion book, is available for $50. The compact disc is available for $18.98 plus shipping. To order, call 1-800-336-1917 or write to the address on your screen.